In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pixel art in Adobe Photoshop. We'll turn a regular photo into a retro, blocky look using a few simple tools that give you lots of control without damaging your original image. Start by opening Photoshop and loading the image you want to transform. In the Layers panel, right-click the image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This is important because it keeps your edits non-destructive, so you can come back and change settings later without starting over. Head to the top menu and choose Filter, then Pixelate and click Mosaic. A dialog box appears with a cell size slider. This slider controls how big each square block becomes. Larger values create chunky, stylized squares for a bold pixel art look, while smaller values keep more detail. The right choice depends on your image and its resolution. High-resolution photos usually need a larger cell size to make the effect obvious. Watch the preview as you adjust, and aim for a size that simplifies the shapes while keeping your subject recognizable. Click OK when you like what you see. Next, go to Image, choose Adjustments, and click Threshold. Threshold converts the image to pure black and white, which emphasizes strong shapes and gives your pixel art a graphic poster-like feel. You'll see a single slider. Move the slider to the left to reveal more light areas, or to the right to deepen the darks and simplify details. There's no single correct setting. Look for a balance where important features stand out without losing the overall form. If you want to refine things, just double-click the threshold layer in the Layers panel to reopen its properties and move the slider again. Since your image is a smart object, you can also double-click the mosaic filter listed beneath the layer to adjust the cell size at any time. This back and forth is helpful. Nudge the threshold slider to shape your highlights and shadows, then tweak the mosaic size to control how blocky the image feels. Zoom out occasionally to judge the effect the way others will see it, and now you have made a pixel art effect in Adobe Photoshop. Keeping the smart object workflow means you can revisit and fine-tune the look whenever you want without starting from scratch. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.